Hey guys, just showing you the battery cage on the drive train for a 2023 Levo Expert, Specialized Levo Expert. So if you're missing your cage that protects your battery, I got a link down below for you. So this is a case of you don't know what you don't know. I bought the bike used. The cage was never there, so I didn't even know one existed until I was doing some research on possibly replacing this battery. I thought my battery had permanently died, and so I went to try to buy another one, and then I learned that the battery on the handlebar, the little coin battery, the 2032, was dead. So that was kind of a silly little thing. But in the process, I learned that I had no cage when I looked at the original, pictures of these things. So I guess the guy before me had lost the cage. I didn't know it. And once I learned it, which made total sense because I thought this was crazy exposed and awfully easy to pop off and could go flying into the woods. I call this the little peanut battery. As you can see, you just pop it off by pulling that little tab. So pop it back on, and then you pop on your cage, which I was missing. And this cage fits nicely right on here and protects your battery. That just snaps on. So again, this is the GX drivetrain. And just make sure you got the correct match. You can see my cage and the shape, and there'll be a link below to the cage that I have here to protect your drivetrain on this Levo type bike. This is a Levo Expert, a 2023. And I hope that helps. I appreciate any likes and subscribes. Again, the link will be down below, and you can just pop this little cage off again by grabbing the clip on the underside here with one finger and prying off the little snap down below there. Take care. Again, appreciate any likes and subscribes.